How to fix WhatsApp no audio and video call on iPhone. Can't hear anything during a WhatsApp video call? Let's bring the audio back. Make sure your iPhone volume is up and the mute switch on the side is off. Go to settings, go to WhatsApp and confirm that both camera and microphone access are allowed. If the issue persists, try earphones or another audio source to isolate the problem. Now your video calls should have full audio again. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.